This is the bedroom of the flat that we have, and this is the bed with the nice pictures over it and this nice glass window behind. And we move over here and we have a bureau for putting things in, and right out here is a window into the courtyard, and this is the entrance to the living room. And then we can walk into the living room, and in the living room you see it's quite large but quite devoid of furniture and mostly very uncomfortable chairs. And now Ruth is going into the kitchen, and this is the window in the living room that faces out at the Eiffel Tower. And now we have the kitchen, which is got these really uncomfortable chairs and also has a nice window that faces out at the Eiffel Tower. And it's got rather a very tiny space. It has a modern microwave, a modern toaster, a sort of a antiquated washing machine, an oven we can't work, and here's Ruth thinking about getting lunch. Say hello to the camera, Ruth. There she goes. And we have this nice refrigerator and a freezer that's kind of looks like a cabinet. Okay, goodbye.